first day, we have been in Elivori Resort. We have done winter activities like fat biking, walking in the forest. Monday, Auntie spoke about the students' program and the group tasks. In the afternoon, after the morning at school, we decided the themes for the tasks, and in the evening we had a party in Levo Hunting Lodge. Tuesday, we visited the offices of Tampere Public Transportation, Frankfurt, and the Center of Environmental Issues, Morenia. In Frankfurt, we listened to a presentation about Stardust project, which aims to improve energy efficiency of public transportation in Tampere, and in Morenia we learned lots of things, such as how to measure the temperature and humidity in a room, how much light we need for reading, cooking, and we have seen the instruments for this. After that, we went to Iedanranta. It's a center that thinks to modern solutions for sustainable energy and modern farming methods. Wednesday, we worked on the project, and in the afternoon we went to Kustavi, a book museum near the school. Thursday, we presented our ideas. They spoke about how to improve Tampere Point Finland application. Some of their ideas were, for example, the recycling bins, the game with points, the new logo for the icon of the app.
Good planner, so when you're going to somewhere you could see where you have those recycled bins for certain items. The air quality explanations, yeah, definitely.